This is the sound, as in the words would, look, and good. The sound is normally spelled with the letter U, as in the words education and put. But it can also be spelled with the letter O or double O, as in the words woman and book. Like with all vowels in English, the spelling can be very inconsistent, and you'll always find alternative and unusual spellings of the vowel sounds. It's one of the most difficult things in English, but you just have to learn it. Here are some words that have the sound in the middle. Foot, full, pull, and push.